Have you ever celebrated a festive holiday season in a distant land? Join AmaWaterways on board our elegantly decorated ships next winter as we cruise the Danube River through Southeast Europe. On every GEMS of Southeast Europe Christmastime departure, you'll be welcomed on board into a beautiful winter wonderland filled with Christmas cheer. Enjoy a beautiful holiday feast with all the trimmings, caroling, and tree decorating, and magnificent decorations in every corner of the ship. Together on shore, we will discover local traditions and awe-inspiring architecture in 5 fascinating countries. Founded more than 2,000 years ago by the Romans, the Hungarian city of Pécs is a highlight. There you'll see many majestic sights, including the Christian necropolis and St. Peter's Basilica. When your ship docks in Vukovar, you may tour the Eltz Manor House. This Baroque palace is home to a museum with an impressive collection of Croatian and European art. While in Serbia's capital of Belgrade, explore the fascinating Nikola Tesla Museum, learning about the inventor's life and creations. Plus, see the spectacular Cathedral of St. Sava, the largest Serbian Orthodox church in the world. In Bulgaria, get in the spirit of the Christmas season inside the Nativity of Christ Church in Arbanasi. On select sailings, you may be treated to an exclusive choir performance among the colorful historic frescoes. Plus, sample local sweets and shop for handmade gifts at the intimate holiday market in Veliko Trnovo. If you extend your journey with our optional land package in my home country of Romania, you can visit the Christmas market in Brașov. This is the perfect place to shop for Romanian handicrafts, taste mulled wine, sausages, and my favorite, cozonac sweet bread. All the winter festivities throughout Southeast Europe are special, but Bucharest Christmas market in front of the Palace of the Parliament holds a special place in my heart. We hope to see you on board next year so you can experience the magic of the holiday season in Southeast Europe with your AmaWaterways family. Crăciun fericit!
One of the best things about this whole thing is actually meeting other people. What really made it magical for us was meeting Glenn and Andrea, and we met 2 people who then turned out to be our lifelong friends.
I have experienced so many wonderful things on the Southeast Danube. To see the Iron Gate, to learn the history and see the beauty of the countries has been absolutely amazing.